What's up, YouTube? So I'm out here shooting my muzzle loader. I've taken a couple practice shots, make sure it's working good. So we're gonna load it up and take a shot at a milk jug out there. Hopefully I'll hit it. This thing's a little off. So I'm using 80 grains of powder, 54 or 53 caliber steel ball. So we'll get it loaded up and then we'll turn the camera around and hopefully I'll hit this milk jug. Be right back. Alright, we'll prime it and see if I can hit that milk jug. Sorry about that, lost my priming tool. So here we go. I think I got it. At least it fell over. Alright, thanks for watching. We'll see you. Alright, well, I'm back. Hope the wind isn't too bad. So that's what's left of that milk jug full of water. I have no idea where I hit it. I think probably right there. But yeah, there's the exit there. There's the entrance, so it would have been sitting like that. Kind of winged it on the side. So, thanks for watching. We'll see ya.